Hey guys, it's Anthony Romerell, and in this video we're going to talk about particle systems. So, I've just created a new file, and we're going to right click and we're going to create effects particle system. And let's zero this so it's in the middle. Then we're going to add a sprite to it. Right. So we're going to come on down here to renderer. So we're going to go to texture animation sheet. We're going to turn it on, change it from grid to sprites, and we're going to drag this dust particle here. You can find this dust particle here in the Pixel Adventure. So now we're shooting off little dust particles. We can change all sorts of things. So let's change. You guys can do whatever you want. You can go through and do a lot of experimenting. So let's change the start size to something like a little smaller, like 0.5. And let's put in a gravity modifier of 0.2. So it could be like a little fountain. Right? Maybe a little smaller, 0.1. So there could be a little bit of gravity on there, right? Maybe 0.5. Okay, and let's just change how long this thing lives. So we've got this start size of 0.5. Start lifetime is 5. Let's change this. Let's make this not, now it's nothing. Let's do like a 0.2. Maybe a little longer. Do a 1. Okay, 1's good. And let's have it change its color over lifetime. So let's say color over lifetime. And what color do we want? Let's add some transparency. So maybe we can make it sort of a green. So it fades into a green. Or it starts as white, fades into a white. And let's click on this bottom color. Change this to a black. Or red. Let's see what this top one. Anyway, you guys can change whatever you like. Okay. Now it's emitting because it's emitting as if it were generator, and it's not going to stop. That's not exactly what we want. We're going to say rate over time is 0, right? Because we're going to have it explode when we hit stuff, right? Okay, so I'm going to take this particle system, and I'm going to call this one coin particles. I'm going to commit this as a prefab now. So I'm just going to go to particles, make this a prefab, and we're going to open up level 1. I'm going to hit save. Wow. And let's make the pineapple emit this. So I'm just going to take the pineapple, going to drag the coin particles, put it right on top of the pineapple. Okay, excellent. And let's just make sure that these are all at 0. Looks like they are. And then we're going to emit this when we trigger. So we're going to go to the pineapple, and we're going to hit this plus button. We'll drag the particle to it. We'll say particle system and emit. And you know what? Let's have it emit, I don't know, 25. And let's just give it a little test. So what I want you to do throughout your game is try things, right, with particles. Boom. Right? I hate that music, by the way, so I'll change that, right? I don't know if I was even recording it. I am going to change that, though. I'm going to go to the key, and let's see, that game music. I'm just going to get rid of it, right? All right, so you can see it emitted particles. Now, guys, change the particles however you want. Add particles throughout your scene, and overall, have fun.